everyone. Welcome back to our slow and friendly English podcast. I am me, your teacher and your talk partner today. And with me is Daniel. Hello, Daniel.
Hi, me. And hello, listeners. I hope you are all relaxed, maybe drinking tea or maybe lying on your sofa like a sleepy cat.
That was very specific, Daniel.
I just want listeners to feel cozy. Learning English is easier when your brain is happy.
True. A happy brain learns better than a stressed brain. And today we have a fun topic. Today we talk about dreams and goals. Not sleeping dreams, life dreams.
Yes, life dreams, big dreams, small dreams, wild dreams, and also goals, the things we want to do.
Before we start, let's warm up. Daniel, how was your morning?
My morning. Well, I woke up. That is a good start. I made coffee. I burned my toast again. I think the toaster hates me.
Or maybe you hate the toaster?
Let's not blame the victim here. The toaster is evil.
Anyway, your morning sounds normal.
Yes, normal. But it made me think, if I can't even make toast, how can I achieve my big goals?
That's exactly why we talk about dreams and goals today. Even if you burn toast, you can still dream big. And that is the truth.
Good, because I have dreams.
And we all should. So let's begin. So, Daniel, when you were a child, what did you want to be?
I wanted to be a superhero.
With a cape?
Of course, a superhero without a cape is just a person wearing tight clothes.
That is true, sadly.
But I could not fly, I could not shoot lasers, and I cried when I saw spiders. So my superhero career ended early.
That is okay. Many kids have big dreams, and later they change.
Yes. What about you, Me? What was your childhood dream?
I wanted to be a painter.
Wow. So what happened?
I discovered I cannot draw hands.
Hands are hard.
Yes, my hands looked like noodles. Not good.
So you became an English teacher instead.
Exactly. My dreams changed. And that's normal. Dreams grow with us. So today, listeners, we talk about dreams and goals, how to speak about them in English, how to describe what we want in life, how to share our plans, our hopes, our steps.
And how to do it with simple English.
Yes, so if you are a beginner or intermediate learner, don't worry, we keep it simple and clear.
Like water.
Yes, water-level English.
I like that.
First, let's explain the difference between dreams and goals.
Dreams are big ideas, something we want in the future, something that feels far away.
And goals are steps, things we can do. Goals are more concrete.
For example, my dream is to speak English like a native, but my goal is to study 20 minutes every day.
Exactly. The dream is the destination. The goal is the path.
I like that. I should put it on a poster.
Maybe one day, Daniel. Let's show listeners how to talk about dreams. Simple sentences like, I dream of, my dream is to, I hope to, I want to.
Very easy. Very useful. For example, I dream of traveling the world. My dream is to open a small bakery. I hope to buy a house someday. I want to learn how to surf.
Yes, all simple, all natural.
Not I desire to surf. That sounds like a fancy king.
Yes, we don't speak like Shakespeare in daily life.
Too bad. I wanted to surf in dramatic style.
To surf or not to surf.
That is the question.
And for goals, we can say, my goal is to, I plan to, I will try to, I am working on.
Let me give examples. My goal is to read one English book this year. I plan to practice speaking every weekend. I will try to write an English diary. I am working on improving my vocabulary.
Very good, Daniel.
Sometimes I surprise myself.
Now let's talk a bit more deeply. Daniel, what is a dream you have now?
I want to travel to Japan.
That is a big dream for me.
Why Japan?
I like the culture, the food, the trains, the polite people, and also the anime. I mean, who doesn't want to visit a place with talking cats and giant robots?
Anime is not real life.
Let me dream, Mie.
Fine. So, what is your goal for this dream?
My goal is to save money every month and study a bit of Japanese.
Good. That is a clear path.
What about you? Do you have a current dream?
I dream of writing a book.
A novel?
Maybe. Or a teaching book, or a children's book with animals that talk too much.
That sounds cute.
And my goal is to write a little bit every week.
Slow but steady.
Yes, that is the secret.
I think dreams make life exciting.
They give us motivation.
They make boring days less boring.
And they help us imagine a better future.
Even if the future has no giant robots.
Daniel,
Just saying.
It's good to dream big, but goals should be realistic.
Like, don't say, I will speak English perfectly in 2 weeks.
Yes, that is not realistic.
Or, I will become a millionaire by Friday.
Unless you win the lottery.
If I win the lottery, I will buy a new toaster.
That is your dream?
Maybe a small dream.
So, listeners, set goals that you can actually reach. Small goals, clear goals.
for example, if your dream is to speak English fluently, break it into small goals.
Like, Goal 1, learn 10 new words this week. Goal 2, listen to English 5 minutes every day. Goal 3, speak with a friend once a week. Goal 4, watch a simple English video.
Yes, small steps lead to big results.
Like walking up a mountain. You don't jump to the top, you take one step, then another.
Exactly.
Sometimes dreams also change with life.
Yes, and that is normal. People grow, ideas shift.
For example, when I was a teenager, I wanted to be a rock star.
You? On stage?
Yes, with long hair and a guitar.
Can you play guitar?
Not even a little.
Then how?
It was a dream, okay? Not a professional plan.
And now?
Now I dream of a quiet life. A small house, a dog, some plants, and maybe a hot chocolate machine.
Very peaceful.
My hair is also too short for rockstar life.
That is probably for the best. Many people around the world share similar dreams.
True. Some common dreams are traveling to new places, learning a new language, finding a good job, starting a family, being healthy, having more time for hobbies, living near the beach, owning a cute dog that obeys commands.
The last one sounds personal.
Yes, my neighbor's dog ignores me. I think it judges me.
Dogs do not judge.
This one does.
Anyway, dreams are often universal. Humans want happiness, growth, connection.
So how can people stay motivated?
By remembering why the dream is important, by taking small steps, by celebrating little wins.
Like, I learned 5 new words today. I am amazing.
Yes, celebrate that.
Should I buy a cake?
Maybe not every day, Daniel.
Fine, but maybe once a week.
Moderation.
Do you think dreams can be too big?
It depends.
Because last night, I dreamed of becoming the king of Mars.
Wrong kind of dream, Daniel.
Are you sure? I looked good in my space crown.
Focus on real dreams, please.
Fine.
Let's give listeners some practice. Repeat after us if you want. I dream of a better future. My dream is to visit another country. I hope to learn English well. I want to try new things.
And for goals, my goal is to study every day. I plan to save money this year. I will try to be more patient. I am working on my confidence.
Good repetitions. Daniel, what is one small goal you have for this week?
I want to finish one English podcast episode.
This one?
Yes, because it is long.
Very long.
You asked for this.
No, the listener asked for this. I am innocent.
Fine. And how will you do it?
I will listen for 10 minutes every day, slow and steady.
Good method.
What about you? What is your small goal?
I want to organize my desk.
Is your desk messy?
It looks like a tiny tornado passed by.
Good luck.
Listeners, remember, your dreams matter, even small dreams.
And take your time. You don't need to hurry. Growth takes time.
Yes, and enjoy the journey. The journey is part of the dream.
Unless the journey includes burning toast.
Daniel.
Now let's review what we learned today. Dreams are big ideas for the future. Goals are small steps that help us reach those dreams. We can talk about dreams with phrases like, I dream of, or I hope to. We talk about goals with phrases like, my goal is to, or I plan to. Dreams can change. Goals can change. That is normal.
And remember to enjoy the process, celebrate small wins, and be kind to yourself.
Very good, Daniel.
Thank you. I practiced that line in the mirror.
Of course you did. And thank you, listeners, for staying with us.
See you next time.
Keep dreaming and keep learning.
And keep your toaster on low heat.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.